Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up everything, your save file and any current sticker files, so you can revert if needed. Once done, open the game directory and find the Assets or Stickers folder. This is where textures and metadata live. Make sure modding tools or the game's developer mode are active because those let you import or overwrite sticker files. You're now set to extract the existing sticker pack. Proceed with extracting only the specific sticker files you plan to change. Next, extract the sticker textures and their metadata files and open them in a layered editor. You'll change the art while preserving original resolution and alpha because mismatched sizes break alignment. Edit the metadata for name, ID, and attachment point. These values control where and how the sticker sticks. After making a small change, save and export with the same format. Then repackage only the updated files so you can test without disturbing unrelated assets. Finally, repack the edited textures and metadata into the game's archive using the original format and compression. Inconsistent packing often prevents loading. Launch the game and test the sticker in multiple contexts, character view, cutscenes, and different lighting, to verify alignment, scale, and color correctness. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup, clear the game cache, and reapply changes one at a time so you can spot which edit caused the issue. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.